If you're looking for a quick, delicious, and nutritious meal, follow this video and let's make a spicy and flavorful chapli kebab using chicken breast. The ingredients we need are chicken breast, eggplant, potato, onion, fresh coriander, cilantro, garlic, and fresh chili peppers. Place all the ingredients in a food processor and blend them together until well combined. The spices we add include black pepper, salt, ground coriander seeds, paprika, and oats. Mix everything thoroughly and shape the mixture into kebab patties. Fry them in a moderate amount of oil until golden brown. If you prefer a healthier version, you can bake them in the oven without oil. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Afghan Kitchen and Pastry for more easy homemade recipes.